So on today's video, we'll be learning how to thread this Naumann Stucky electric and manual sewing machine. So the first thing we do is that we're going to put our thread on the thread stand like so, and then we'll pass it through the thread guide. Pass it through the tiny hole here in the thread guide. Then we can pass through the next thread guide if we want to. That particular one is optional. So when you pass through, the next place you pass through is the tension. So here's our tension. We'll pass through from right to the left, and then we pass through the take up lever. So when we pass through the take up, we are going to, okay, so here's our take up. We'll pass through, and then we pass through the eye of the needle from the front to the back. Okay, so I had to lift that to enable me to pass through more. So these are tension. So next thing, we'll pass through the eye of the needle from the front to the back of the needle. So meanwhile, this is a straight and zigzag electric and manual sewing machine. Like, it is practically soundless. Okay, so next thing, we'll put our shuttle through, and then we'll pick. But now I want to show you how to thread our shuttle using the bobbin winder on the arm. So you put your reeler, you press down, then you pedal, then it just runs and then fills your thread. It's just like a normal machine, like a normal blackhead and all that. So next thing you do is that you push that up so that it doesn't keep rubbing when you're doing your pedaling. This machine is practically soundless. It's extremely heavy, like extremely heavy. It's a semi-industrial sewing machine. We just sold it. So I'm making the video both for the clients and for you that already got from somewhere else to be able to use it. So we pass through the eye of the needle from front to back. So for this machine, the rough side of the needle faces you, like that rough slim side faces you, while the smooth side faces the back. It uses a HA needle. It also uses a DB needle or even a DP needle, but the long and short of it is that the rough side faces you, so you pedal. So it's for straight stitch and it's also for zigzag stitches. So currently it's on 0. The pointer is on 0, like so. So this is 0. You can see that arrow on 0. So I want to go over to the zigzag stitch now. I'll take it away from 0 and then push it up to 1, 2. So if I push it to 1, I still get a zigzag stitch. If I push it to 2, I still get a zigzag stitch. So we start pedaling. So you're not seeing it so well now because I didn't make the stitches look close. The stitch length for the stitch length regulator, I made it very wide. So right now I'm going to reduce it. Okay, so this is our zigzag. So now I'm going to reduce it. In case you want to do a mini kind of embroidery on your outfits, you would need it to be very close. Okay, so I could push it up to 4. Yes, 4. I love to use 4 for my embroidery if I don't want to work with my embroidery machine. So we could push it up to 4. Then we go to the tension regulator and push it in between 0 and 1 so that the stitches can be tight and very close. Okay, so here it is. So we're gradually coming to the end of this video. This video is brought to you courtesy of Eric's Academy of Fashion. We deal on sewing machines as well as teaching people how to sew different female clothing. So you can contact the number below if you'd like to place an order for any of our sewing machines. You check other series below this video, the series of our various sewing machines. See you.